Hi guys, for today's video, we're going to be solving two speed cubes. See, we have, the 5x5 still isn't solved. You have to solve it. But, we do have the 3x3 speed cube and the 2x2 speed cube. Alright. Let me start like that. Wait, actually I have a better idea. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Go. Solved. It took me a while. All right, let's do it again. Go. Solved. All right, one more time. But this time, go. Solved. Now, shimmy rats. All right, 2x2. The 2x2's so easy. All right. All right. Go. So 3 seconds. Right. 3, 2, 1, go. Solved. Three, two, one, go. Solved. I think that's all. Well, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead, like and subscribe. And if you really enjoyed this video, go ahead, hit the bell, leave a comment, right? Bye-bye. Make sure to eat those Rubik's Cubes by July 14th. And also, JJ's birthday is today. So, make sure to comment down below. Happy birthday, JJ. Also, like, subscribe, hit the bell, and leave a comment to Football Master JJ. Bye.